Hello, how are you? My name is Juan Camilo Mier Castillo. I'm 20 years old. I'm studying operation and meaning operation. Okay. An artificial intelligence is a field computer in a system 6 and make to create and the system contain performing tasks and normally require human summing in sample. The teams are training computer or drill of solve problems, recognize in patterns, and make decisions automatically. Unlike traditionally computer on the program on the phone, write instructions and uses and advanced algorithm to process vast amounts of data in the relation between three and perform over time through Billsport. Goodbye.